to the shop, and my buddy and I are going to cut the old fender so that basically so that we can get the hood open, so that we can get the old fender off. And I got a new fender today, so we're gonna get to it. I forgot. Also, while I was at the junkyard, I managed to also get the headlight, which is awesome. So I'm hoping this is everything I need to get the the Navigator fixed and drivable. All right.
Closing up.
Yeah, it's because the hood's
Shoving it out.
Yeah. Well, now that we got the skin cut, now that you got the skin cut, let's just take a pry bar and try and wrench that out of there.
Yeah, I couldn't get all the way down there.
I don't think you can get all the way through with that kind of. There.
There you go.
Kind of a shorty, but mostly, gratuitous sparks. And we all know how YouTube loves gratuitous sparks. But, at least the hood is no longer pinned. And I can start working on getting that off so that I can get the driver's side door to open. But, yeah, she's a bit of a mess, but we'll get it all patched up. As you can see, this is pretty badly beat up. Gonna end up having to get this piece, which unfortunately, runs the entire width of the front. Gonna have to get that piece. Or I might not. I mean, it depends on how much of this thing I can get fixed up and looking nice. Whether or not I'm going to use it as a donor to get him going. But yeah. Little by little. Little by little. Alrighty, so that's pretty much it for today. I do more, but the weather's amiable, so there's other projects that I really have to get done. So you know what to do: like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to catch out more.